What else do I need? I really need... I need flint. Either that or I need to do the thing with the lava. It'd be interesting to see if I remember how to, It'd be interesting to see if I remember how to even... do the lava thing. Cause you see people do it and they make it look really easy. I need to make like a shovel or something. I don't think you'd have time to do this, but I need more wood. I have to sneeze really bad, guys. What do I do? Okay. Oh, there we go. 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 Where did it go? Give me my flint! Bless you, thank you. You guys are so sweet. Thank you.